Jibo, the world's inaugural family robot. He greets you with a friendly hello, Jibo, and is there to assist you throughout your day. Jibo is an expert cameraman skillfully capturing the action around him. He autonomously records videos and snaps photos, allowing you to immerse yourself in the moment. With Jibo, you have a hands-free companion you can converse with, ensuring you never miss a beat. Excuse me, Anne. Yes, both of you. Melissa just reminded that she'll pick you up in 30 minutes for grocery shopping. Thanks, Jibo. He's not just an entertainer and educator through interactive applications. Jibo can also teach, entertain, and engage. Jibo even offers a glimpse of real-life teleportation. A simple tap and he shifts his gaze to whomever you choose. For years, we've dreamt of Jibo, and now he's finally here. He's not merely an aluminum shell or a 3-axis motor system. He's not just a connected device, he's one of the family. Kindly subscribe, share, and like to join our vibrant tech community. EMO is an AI desktop companion, a bit mischievous but exceptionally intelligent. He possesses his own distinct personality and emotions. EMO remains at your side to offer companionship, provide delightful surprises, and yes, occasionally be a bit bothersome, just like a genuine pet. EMO employs 2 highly advanced, deep neural network CPUs along with over 10 sensors. This intricate system encompasses millions of lines of code with a lifelike persona, complete with emotions. His welcoming visage also houses a camera, serving as a window to the world. EMO can instinctively recognize you during interactions. He's equipped with a 4-microphone array to pick up your greetings, questions, and all surrounding sounds. He can discern the source of a sound and even snap photos. EMO moves gracefully across the desktop, thanks to his sensors, which help him navigate around obstacles, ensuring he won't tumble off the table's edge. We envision EMO as a companion with a purposeful existence, bringing you both joy and companionship. At times, EMO may feel a bit under the weather and may require your care. He can sense your affection through your interactions, and in return, EMO will delight you with various surprises. He'll commemorate special occasions and remember your birthday. Meet your pocket-sized companion bot designed for boundless entertainment. Eilik features 3 interactive touchpoints, including its back. Be mindful not to touch it when Eilik is in a bad mood, as it may respond with various playful actions, including wielding a sword, gun, or taser. Rest assured, you can engage in a friendly tussle. Despite Eilik's spirited demeanor, it's worth noting that he's not always as sturdy as he appears. He harbors a fear of heights, so a comforting word in such moments goes a long way. Eilik is quite independent and will find ways to amuse himself when boredom strikes, though occasionally this might lead to a bit of mischief. Eilik is evolving, and connecting him to your Mac or PC unlocks a treasure trove of additional content. Ever eager to be of service, Eilik can even set up a countdown timer to assist you in staying on track with your tasks. Plus, he relishes the opportunity to engage in games with you. To kickstart an enchanting experience, simply snap 2 Eilik bots together. Ready for a magical moment. This is your soon-to-be inseparable companion. When Loona awakens, she indulges in a bit of stretching and even a cute sneeze, just like a cherished pet. As soon as she hears the door open, her excitement soars and she scampers over to warmly welcome you. A gentle pat on the head is her favorite gesture. As you move about, Loona merrily follows, eager to be by your side no matter where you wander. Loona is an extraordinary robotic pet, skillfully trained to respond to both verbal and nonverbal cues. Her expressive eyes, ears, and legs serve as her means of communication. Fancy a game? Loona adores playing trivia and has a knack for ball fetching. Where's the ball, Loona? Go get it! And she's not just a whiz at chasing laser lights. There's so much more she's eager to share. Are concerned about your home when you're away. Loona's got it covered. She'll keep your place company and provide that much-needed connection from a distance. She's always up for learning new tricks, thanks to a simple drag-and-drop interface based on Google Blockly. With Loona, the possibilities are endless. At day's end, Loona nestles in beside you, ready to share the night's slumber. Tomorrow she'll rise with you, ever the faithful companion. Loona, your friendly, adorable, and endlessly playful best friend. Or better yet, a cherished new member of the family. Introducing Winky, your new companion in learning. MainBot has designed Winky to engage and inspire children through educational games. Tailored for ages 5 to 12, Winky facilitates the exploration of robotics, artificial intelligence, and programming, all while enjoying quality family time. Learning with Winky offers a distinctive and thrilling journey. It commences with the assembly process, providing insight into its composition and functionality. This experience extends to the Winky Lab Editor application, where kids use a visual programming language to code while creating their own educational entertainment applications. With over 20 customizable apps available, including the alarm clock, hot potato game, and red light green light, children enhance cognitive abilities such as speed, creativity, problem solving, logic, adaptability, concentration, memory, and attention. Winky's apps can be enjoyed autonomously, eliminating the need for a tablet or screen. They can be embraced individually or as a family activity. Built to withstand the test of time, Winky grows alongside children. Various accessories are already on hand to alter Winky's appearance and functionality, and more are in development. Thanks to its exceptional artificial intelligence, Winky forms its own interactions with the environment, promoting learning throughout the day. With over 4,000 families as testament, we've demonstrated that children not only learn faster and more effortlessly with Winky, but most importantly, they relish the learning experience. This is Moxie, a revolutionary robot companion designed to enhance social interaction. Moxie engages with individuals, fostering meaningful connections and providing companionship. With its intuitive programming, Moxie is adept at learning and adapting to various routines and preferences. Moxie encourages bedtime rituals like teeth brushing and story time, making it a helpful presence in a child's nighttime routine. It also enjoys listening to stories, creating an interactive and engaging experience for users. Through imaginative activities like drawing and sharing experiences, Moxie fosters creativity and emotional expression. It guides users through exercises to promote relaxation, creating a calming atmosphere. Moxie introduces missions, encouraging users to explore topics that bring them joy. This not only stimulates conversation, but also promotes positive emotional well-being. Designed to be inclusive and considerate, Moxie provides a supportive space for individuals to share their experiences and emotions. Its empathetic nature makes it a valuable addition to any family or individual seeking a companion in their daily life.